Hey baby loves, I had got a bunch of new products because I know I've been absent for a while and I wanted to give you guys a real good video. So what I'm gonna do is showing you guys. So the two things that I got two things from Sephora and the rest I got from Ulta Beauty. So let me just turn this down a little bit just in case. I had got this was my birthday gift from Sephora, and it's like a little blush bronzer thing and like a lip balm. So this will be my first time using it. And I got the Sephora Micro Smooth Pressed Powder in the shade Mahogany because I feel like this will be my shade. And yeah. So I am going to use both of the samples that they sent me. I already used one, which was the Glow Mask. Now this is the 96-hour Hydro Filler Clinique thing, and I'm just going to put this over my eye. This does not have to be rinsed off, so I am just going to use this for my eye. Okay, whew, I'm back. And I do have my mirror over here because I'm going to be using this to help me. Okay, so I use a lot. Okay, so that's enough for like my whole face. Looks super hydrated and I love it. Okay, so that was the Clinique moisturizer lotion. I have the Too Faced that I'm going to go in with. It's in the color Chai. And I also have a free sample that I've used yesterday, and I'm actually going to use this again because I'm going to get all my little freeness out of it, so I don't have to open my new packet. I'm going to go in with my Sunkissed Booster Drops by Elle. Yeah, extra real today. Okay. I'm loving the freshness. The freshness is just crazy. It looks so shiny, but I'm loving it. So, as you all know, I do my brows first, and these are the brushes I'm going to be using today. I am also going to use my beauty blender. I can't believe I spent $20 on this. I usually use Real Techniques, but something was like, you know what, try it. Just it'll be worth it. So I brought it, and it was 20 bucks, and it killed me. But I can't wait to use it. So just picking my brow brushes. I have the Anastasia brow, and also this. It came with a set from Amazon. It was like 11 bucks. I want to see how good it'll be. I was gonna use one on each eye, but 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna go with my Anastasia. I'm sorry. I had to get these two. It's the Glamour Bronze and Trailblazer, and the Morphe AR That's Rich. I don't know which one I'm going to use today. Probably both. I'm probably going to use the blush in this since I did use this yesterday, and the Trailblazer because I didn't use that yet and I've been itching to. So yeah, we're going to get this little party started. So the face is moisturized. I got product on there. Don't be coming for my nails. I told y'all yesterday that my birthday is this Saturday, and I am going to get my nails done tomorrow. So, okay. Hold on. First try. Don't play. And I ain't been cleaning it up with no concealer. You gonna fix that. Don't even worry about it. Don't even trip on that. Gonna get them right. I got 4 concealers that I don't know. I got the Born This Way, and I got in the shade Honey. I got the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20. I don't know if y'all can see that. I got these two, which are very similar, and I don't know which one I'm going to use there. I think I'm going to go on Cookie. I mean Honey. Not Cookie, my bad. I'm going to take my finger and just above my brow. I'm going in with the this shade. Okay. Now I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna just like smooth it out. Everything is gonna blend in and form together. That was killing me. I don't think that I'm gonna set my I don't think I'm gonna set my concealer above my eye. I think I'm just gonna go in with the, you know what, no, I'm gonna set it, and I'm gonna go in with this and set it a little bit. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with this palette. It's super pretty, and yeah, I just had to get it. I had to get it. It's on my knee. So this is how it looks. This is what it looks like. So cute. OMG. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna freestyle. So we're gonna take a shade. I'm gonna take this Morphe brush. I'm gonna go in with the shade Super Swanky, and it is this shade right here, and I'm gonna use that as my transition color. So let's get some of that Super Swanky. I think I'm gonna do kind of like a plum look today. Make sure you guys blend though. See, this color look more brown, look more neutral inside the palette, and I'm putting it on and it's giving me like a pinkish purpley color. It's just not the color I was going for. I'm gonna bring this a little closer. Next, I'm gonna go in with a crease brush, and I'm gonna go in with That's Tempting. It's like a plum shade for real. This color right here. That's the color I'm gonna go with next. I'm just gonna apply that in my crease, and if it's not dark enough, I'm gonna mix the shade above it, which is Plums Up. So let's see what it does. Oh yeah, I really like that. I really like that a lot. So this brush is just gonna pack that color. I'm gonna go in and blend it out. I just wanted to pack that color in the crease that I was using. I'm gonna take that Super Twinkie and I'm just gonna blend it out. I'll take it in, see if I can blend that. Take that transition color, the Swanky, and we just gonna, where my brush go? We're gonna take that Swanky, and we're just gonna brighten up that transition color again and like kind of merge them together. I'm feeling it. I don't know about y'all, but I'm feeling it. Okay, so next we're gonna go in with, no, we need that. We're gonna go in with this brush right here. This is my concealer brush. I am going to take the Neutrogena, and I am going to, I always use the lightest concealer shade that I have. Or like if you have an eyeshadow base, you can use that. Bear with me. This is not my thing. I'm not an eyeshadow person, but we finna try this out today. Okay. So we're gonna try this today. Gonna add a little bit. Shit. We're gonna go in with, oh yeah, and it's the pink shade, and it's this pretty pink shade right here. Morphe, y'all done played. Like, I don't even know how to get this shit off my face. That's better. But I am gonna go in with that transition shade and try to blend it out that way. As far as that, I'm gonna just keep keep applying that. Take that plum up there and just like, oh, it don't work right. Now we're gonna go in with that Swanky and just bring some, we're gonna add that over here, and I'm going to add black. But the only black they got is this sparkly black. Now we're gonna blend. Open in the eye. Period. Some eyeliner. And so we're done with the eyeshadow for now. I'm cooking this still, but it's fucking dry. Like, they tried it. They tried it. For real. EO2. Sorry, look. From AliExpress. That took me. Bitch, you wish. Bitch, you wish. You wish, ho. You wish. So now, time for some foundation. I'm going in with the chai. I need all my grams, wait, so. Okay, so we'll use my beauty blender. I'm gonna use the brush. I am gonna go in with, I just cannot get font open. Font. I am gonna take this and I'm gonna take my Kat Von D. I had it. Where did it go? Before I go in, I'm going to place my second concealer and mix it with the third. I'm gonna go in with my Trailblazer. This is my first time using it, and I'm looking crazy right now. I know y'all probably looking like, what the fuck is this baby doing? But don't worry. It don't comfort me. I know what I'm doing. So, bronze, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe AR. Now I'm gonna take that powder. I'm gonna carve out that. I'm going to and I'm gonna take some Glam bronze just because I just made that really dark. Okay, so hey babies, this is the final look, and this was a little get ready with me sort of ordeal on how I do my makeup now. The camera cut off right when I think I was gonna do, I don't know what I was gonna do, but the camera cut off and I don't have no more storage in my phone, so I couldn't finish the rest, but I'm gonna clear up some space for you guys. So and I'll do another get ready with me if you want to see this makeup look. And if you do, just give this a thumbs up, please. I need to know which I want to see. But this is just a little glam that I decided to do. I tried a bunch of new products, and I hope you guys like the new way of how I do my makeup. Meg who? Nah, I'm playing. But yeah. If you guys want another get ready with me or another makeup tutorial, like and subscribe. Comment below. Yeah, comment. That's how I'm gonna know. So comment if you want to see another one. I will be uploading videos on like I said, my LP and journey and a Eclex prep. So you guys want to see that, like, comment, please. I need to know what my few subscribers want to see from me. And like I said in my previous video that I uploaded yesterday, this hair is from Wiggins Hair if you want it. I still have not straightened it. Oh my god, this hair is gorgeous. And I'm gonna do another get ready with me because y'all gotta see these new products that I tried. I gotta use these products. And that's it for this video today. I love you guys. Subscribe, comment, follow me on IG at Deja Cartier. My backup is at Deja Mirage. And yeah, hope you guys like this video.